parallelogram. Okay, cell phones away as soon as you got that text message. And a quick coffee chat, folks. We haven't done this in a long time, so we are doing this now. Plans over winter break. Are you actually going skiing, snowboarding? Are you doing a house project? Are you finding that favorite outdoor restaurant that you haven't been to in a month? What are you doing? Ready? Go. Breakout rooms. You guys rotate, chit chat, talk to each other. Like talk, kiddos. Like I'm serious. I'll take points away from your paper if you can't manage a conversation in the next 30 seconds. Pencils down. I'm serious about that, kiddos. Safi, Jurian, join your team. Martino, Jaden, join your team. Cross-country road trip?
Yeah.
Are you serious? In a single week? That's a lot of
3
time.
days going there, 1 day to stay, and 3 days coming back.
Okay, now I'm insanely curious. What on earth would you drive that far to do?
So I need my license, right? And I have to get it in like a month, and I don't want to squeeze 50 hours in over 3 weeks, so I'm going to be driving and back.
Where's there?
I
just
middle of nowhere, Iowa.
okay, because so you're visiting family for 1 day,
Yeah.
getting your driver's license because Iowa is more open than California, and then you're coming back?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alrighty then. Sounds interesting.
I like haven't done my hours at all, so.
Yeah, that would be very interesting. Okay, then, interesting. Good deal. That will be an adventure. Pictures of the most exciting places you have seen. Sophia, we're not doing anything, ma'am?
Just like I said.
Lauren's like recreating Home Alone. Yeah. Alrighty, guys, welcome back. You need your reference booklets and your dry erase boards, please. In your reference booklet, find this page. Find this page. It's a single parallelogram. Go, I'm going to wait 30 seconds. And if you don't have this page, you can pull it up on Notability. The reference booklet is on Unit 6. Or you could literally just draw a parallelogram anywhere on a piece of binder paper, and we're going. So you guys at home and you guys in class, hold up 5 fingers, both of you. 5 fingers, 5 fingers, 5 fingers. Ready? In class, say OCD.
OCD.
You guys, Zoomland, say OCD.
OCD.
Great. You guys here in class, say opposite, 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 consecutive, diagonal. Say it.
Opposite, 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 consecutive, diagonal.
Everybody else play along with Huddy next time, okay? Ready? You guys at home, opposite, 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 consecutive, diagonal. Say it.
Opposite, 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 consecutive, diagonal.
Hey, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. These are the 5 qualities of a parallelogram, folks. Ready? Cameron, the blue, what do you think goes there? On my screen.
Sides.
Yes, ma'am. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. That's the definition of a parallelogram, is opposite sides are parallel. So the first thing you want to do is just to do the little arrow feathers. That represents parallel. Opposite sides parallel. Sophia, the green, what do you think the green's about? Up here, dear. It's green up here. I'm sorry. It's not green on your paper. Read it. Read the whole thing. Okay, not only are opposite sides parallel, opposite sides are going to be congruent in length. So hatch mark, double hatch mark. It's not one hatch mark all the way around. It's not all 4 are equal. It's only opposite sides are equal. Got it? Okay, Safi, the purple, read it out loud. Go. The purple's on the screen. I know purple's not in your reference booklet. Quickly, folks. Jonathan, you there, sir? Could you read the purple for us, please? Okay, Jaden, can you read the purple for us, sir? Am I muted? I shouldn't be. Let me check. Maybe we are. Nope, nope, I'm not muted. Let's try this again. All righty, Jimmy, can you read the purple for me, please?
Yeah, it's angles.
Yes, opposite angles are congruent. So sweep, sweep, double sweep, double sweep. Opposite angles are congruent. McKenna, the red, ma'am?
Consecutive angles.
Consecutive angles. Consecutive means next to. Consecutive would be like this, folks. Stretch out these two parallel lines, just stretch them out. Stretch them out. Now, squiggle down the side. This goes way back, guys. Do you remember the whole stir stick thing? Transversal. These two angles that next to each other, squiggle them. Those add up to 180. In other words, they're supplementary. Consecutive angles are supplementary. That's because of the parallel lines. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Kelly, what's the orange, ma'am?
Diagonals bisect each other.
Wonderful. Diagonals bisect each other. That's important. So you draw on your diagonals, and they're going to cut through each other's midpoints. They are not cutting the corners. One slices the other in half, and the other slices this one in half. So we got midpoints going both ways. Opposite, opposite, opposite. Consecutive, diagonal. Say that one more time. Let's see if we can't get in class and Zoom land all together. Say it. Ready? And opposite, 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 consecutive,
diagonals.
Great. Go to the first, thanks for playing along. Go to the first page of today's lesson. Hi, what's up?
I'm sorry, walk to the wrong class.
Uh-oh. Okay, find your seat. Didn't I give you a seat already?
No.
Is this your first time back on an A day? Let's see, Chloe's, I don't think anyone's there. Yeah, go ahead and grab that seat. Yeah. Okay, students, first page, problem number 1. I'd like you to write in the margin, OCD. You're on this page right here, folks. Ready? We're going to do this one together. Step number 1, this third O, this green O, Edwin, stands for what, sir?
Opposite.
Yes, but opposite what, sir? Like, complete the sentence. In your reference booklet, you just copied it. The first two have to do with sides. The third one has to do with angles.
Oh yeah, opposite angles.
Are what, sir?
Parallel.
No.
No, sorry, no.
Starts with a C.
Congruent.
Bingo. So right here, if this is 72, Lauren, what's going to be over here, ma'am? 72 as well. That's because of that O. Ready? Now what I'd like you to do, please, is I'd like you to squiggle these two angles. Squiggle, 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 squiggle. Okay, this is related to the C. This is related to the C. Sophia, what does the C stand for?
Consecutive angle.
Are what?
They add up to 180.
Yes. Students at home, I'd like you to text me the measure, please, of this orange angle right here. You guys find it and then tell each other what you got. You guys at home, quickly text me that orange angle. Go. Lickety split. If you know that consecutive angles. Good, Mr. Ross? Do you, yes, and it's yours to keep. Okay. Guys, I want the whole orange, this orange angle at A, please. Maybe some of you got confused. I want the whole orange angle at A. Zach, you're good. Devin, you're good. Kira, you're good. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Riley, when you get it, talk to Lauren, see if you guys are getting the same thing. Okay. Cameron, check your digits, dear. Ryan, you're good? Worcester? All right, to affirm, students, yes, these add up to 180, which makes this entire angle 108. So those of you got 108, kudos. Okay, now we're going to go to the first O, the first O. So what does the first O mean? Mateo Ross.
Opposite sides are parallel.
Great. Can you guys stretch out these parallel lines? Stretch out those parallel lines for me, friends. Ready? Because we have parallel lines, watch. Armpits of the Z. Because we have parallel lines, armpits of the Z. So Lauren, this red angle up here is going to be what, ma'am? This one right here. Yes, it is. That is 39, friends, because of armpits of the Z. Look how much information you're getting just because it's a parallelogram. Ready? Students, I want you guys to find me blue squiggle, go. You guys at home, text it to me. Lickety split, go, blue squiggle. You guys find blue squiggle, tell each other what you got, see if you get the same thing. Quickly, friends, blue squiggle, text, check your math. Mateo Ross, you're good. Devin, you're good. Dylan, you're good. Zach, you're good. Amelia, you're good. Thank you, Jimmy. Talk to each other, folks. Talk to each other. What are you getting? Talk to each other. Sophia, talk. Introduce yourself. Guys, why don't you all say hi? Okay, get some names because you're going to be talking to each other. Okay. Yes, Kelly. Good deal, folks. Yes, this is 69. Now, once again, because, thank you, Mr. Sanchez, stretch out these parallel lines and trace armpits of the Z. Find me green squiggle. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. I'm going to land on someone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Devin, what's green squiggle going to be?
69?
It is, yes, because it's armpits of the Z. Nice job. Okay, this is what I like you to do, friends. Come down to the next problem. I'd like you to physically sweep angle E, which is this one. Like you physically sweep angle F, which is that one, just like that. Your job is this. I'm going to give you guys 7 minutes. You want to finish this page 1, and then I want you to go and finish page 2 in 7 minutes. You can easily do that just following the OCD properties from last night's videos. Go.
You said to do E and then highlight which one?
Okay, look at my screen.
Oh, there we go.
Highlight E and then highlight F and ask yourself, what is true about these angles? Your goal is to find all angles in the diagram. Then go on to page 2, friends. You have 7 minutes. So you're doing slope?
Oh, no, I'm doing distance.
Distance? Okay, do you remember that?
Like x2 minus,
It's subtract the x's, subtract the y's. And the only thing you need to worry about, the whole 2 and 1, Sophia, it really doesn't matter which one's 2 and which one's 1. What does matter is if you start top, bottom, finish top, bottom.
Yeah.
If you start left to right, finish left to right. Does that make sense? Riley, is there something on this page you're having trouble with?
Yeah,
Well, what do you know about those two angles? They're next to each other.
yeah, so they have to equal 180.
Great. So how are you going to solve for x?
Can I do I plug in both or just in one?
No. Okay. Again, what do you know about the green and the green and red angle?
So they add up to 180.
Yeah, they add up to 180.
Thank you.
They add up to 180. So they is plural. I don't see Jory. No. Yeah, you're Jory. I'm not new. I'm sorry. I'm used to seeing you at home, sir.
Yeah.
So lovely. So being here with us is permanent, correct, Jory?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm used to hunting for your name. Mr. Luther here. Lauren, here in class. Chloe. Chloe's usually here. Chloe, you out there, ma'am? I'm not seeing your name. Chloe, unmute, say hi. Nope. Okay, so Chloe is legitimately absent. Got it. You should not be using calculators, kiddo. Hands off the calculators. You can do 176 divided by 22 longhand. You know it is a whole number. I'll tell you that much, Riley. So just start working from there. Sophia got, Chloe is absent. Ken is here. And then Ryan and here. You may, I don't want you, no, not correcting right now, my dear. Yeah, no, I don't want you looking at the key quite yet. Why don't you tell me what you noticed about the math? We'll just do that verbally. For the top one, the slopes and the distance, what does that tell you?
Well, told me that FG is congruent to JH for the slope.
No, not congruent. The equal slopes tell you what about the lines? That's important.
Sorry, that they're equal.
No. Slope does not show equality. It's a tilt. Go like this. Say slope. Go like that with your arms. Slope's a tilt issue, not a length issue. So the equal slopes tell you what?
That tilt?
Yes, there's a word for that when they tilt the same way.
Oh, that,
Tilt the same.
oh, that they're parallel.
Bingo, that's what I'm looking for. So slope tells you that they are what? Yes, ma'am. And
Oh, and this, I can say the same for F, J, and GH, that they too are also parallel.
yes, ma'am.
And then for the distance, FG has the same distance as JH.
So that, what does that tell you about the segments?
That tells me that they're the same length
Uh-huh.
and that the segments are the same.
Yes, yes. Congruent is a word we're technically fishing for. Fabulous. Okay. Jory, you doing okay? Your pencil hasn't moved.
No,
Are you phased?
yeah, I was just thinking.
No, thinking's fine. I just want to make sure you're not stuck. Thinking's fine. Some people think quietly, but if you're like stuck, talk to me. What page you on, kiddo? Are you on number 2? Problem 2? Right there? Okay, so take a look here. These two angles, the red and the green, what's true about them if this is a parallelogram? Oh, you did?
Yeah, I'm on the last one. This page.
Oh, this guy. Okay, so what's true about the angles? Talk to me. What's true? If it's a, keep in mind OCD, and the angles, these are the two ones about angles.
Can I say the?
Mhm.
Well, if this angle is 100, then y must be 10.
Yes, because this has to be 100. You're correct about that. Because of this, opposite angles are congruent. Good.
And then it has to equal 180, so I know the other two are 80, but I don't know x is 8.
Well, let's just check. So you know those add up to 180. So you correctly demise that is 80. And this is 80. So let's check. What's 10x equals 80? What would x be?
8,
Okay, well, let's do 11 times 8. What is that?
88,
Minus 8.
80,
And you get
80.
80. Ta-da! Does it work?
Yeah.
Excellent. Good deal. Okay, students, 1 more minute. We're going to switch gears. I'm going to give you a shot at some extra credit.
This way,
Yes, ma'am.
where could we check our answers to like?
Uh-oh, did I not load up the answer key yet?
No.
Oh, I'm bad girl. I will do that right now. Yes, I will do that momentarily. Excuse me, kiddo. Time-wise. Yeah, I'll do that while you're working on your group project. Okay? Give me just a second. All right, friends, stop whatever you're doing. I need you to get your dry erase board. You guys, dry erase boards, please get them out. I need to see them. Get them out. Dry erase boards, get them out. Jerry, you have your board with you? Okay, these have been sanitized. Those have been sanitized. Make sure I get them back. Students, get your dry erase boards out. Listen very, 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 very carefully, friends. Okay? In a moment, I'm going to be shoving you into teams again. You are going to get 5 minutes in your teams to attempt to solve this one problem. The entire work must be on the dry erase board, 100% of every person. I'll talk to you in class in just a moment. I'm going to send you to breakout rooms. You must have cameras on and you must be talking and interacting with each other. You may not touch a calculator. This is how you earn extra credit. After 5 minutes, I'm going to be popping in on every breakout room and you're going to show your boards. If you're 100% accurate and I can land on a person to explain a particular problem and they manage to explain it, you're going to get 5 points. If you're 100% accurate and you can't explain it, you'll get 3 points. If you're not 100% accurate, but you're partially accurate and you can explain it, you get 2 points. If you get nothing accurate, thanks for playing. Nice try. I'll show you the answer. Are we clear on what's happening, friends? Okay, you guys, ladies, you over here, you're gonna team up, so just face each other. And you guys are a trio, Sophia, so turn around. Okay, and I'll be checking on, I'll check on the in-class last guys. Students, when you finish early, you are working on problems 1, 2, and 3. This goes on your dry erase boards. To the breakout room you go. Breakout room you go. Okay, you guys can chit chat. Go. Go. You're drawing and you're working. You're interacting with each other. You got 5 minutes. Sophia, turn around, talk. This is a groupie thing, which means you don't get points unless everyone's accurate. Ladies, so you can't hear their discussion. Can you like push that way just a little bit? You're solving for everything. See the sponge? Lua and Jurian, I need you to join your teams, please. Lua, Jurian, I need you to join your teams or you won't be earning extra credit. You must work in a team to do this. Talk to each other, guys. You've got 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Talk to each other. Remember, it's not just answers. You have to be able to explain it.
Parallel? Yeah, and FG. Yeah. So B is 17 and A is 72. Wait, how did you get A is 17? Oh. Okay, and so that means we can come B.
Lauren, McKenna, you guys need to talk to each other. You need to check in, make sure you actually know what you're doing, because if you can't explain it, okay, you can't scoot next to each other. That's what the boards are for. You're going to hold up the board and you're going to talk to each other. Yeah, you need to get all your, Jory, you need to draw a diagram, kiddo. I want to see it on your diagram. Board. Riley, make sure you got all this on your diagram, sir. Everything has to be filled out in the diagram, sir. Okay?
Wait, E is 56.
I got
You guys got
107.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
Cameras on, mics on. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Remember, if someone can't explain something, you're not going to get credit. So you got to make sure you grill each other. Devin, Jonathan, get your cameras on. Okay, cameras on, guys. You got 1 minute. Kira, camera on. You have to be able to explain it. Excellent job. Thank you, folks. All righty, guys. Cameras on, Dylan. Cameras on, Lua. You can't get extra credit unless you're participating.
Oh,
That's-
I'm working on this device. I can't turn it on. Sorry.
Oh, that's what dry erase boards were supposed to be for, ma'am. Okay,
Oh, I was gonna. Okay, let me switch.
that's, okay, thank you. Okay, so you guys in class, you're gonna be the last ones I check because it's gonna take me longer. So while you're waiting for me to check you guys, just work on pages 1, 2, and 3. Okay, just work on pages 1, 2, and 3. Leave your boards where they're at. Just work on pages 1, 2, and 3. Hello, sir.
This way, you are doing a terrific job. Keep it up.
We're trying there, Sir Ryko. Thank you kindly. He's the most generous soul. Most generous soul. Listen to him go door by door. That is a generous soul. Oh, he's lovely. That's why I call him, his last name is Ryko. I call him Sir Ryko because he's like found my copies up in the copier room and like run them down for me like several times over the past year. So he's like my knight in shining armor. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to check this team first. Okay. So,
For me,
okay.
E.
Here we go,
is
guys.
120.
I'm checking you. Boards up. Boards up. Boom. Boards up where I can see it. Boards up. Boards up. Boards up. Jimmy, I need to see your board. Oh, goodness. Good night. Edwin, a little bit down. A little bit up. Edwin. There. Much better row. Thank you. Okay. Jimmy, board. Board. Jimmy, you're missing an angle. Okay, guys, I'm coming back to this team. Your boards do not match. Okay, so I could give you a 0. I'm going to pretend I didn't see that. You're going to talk to each other and I will come back to you in about 1 minute. Okay. Devin, Amelia, Jonathan, I need to see your boards. Go. Boards. Boards where I can see them. Boards where.
I didn't finish.
Okay. Safety, I need to see your board, sir.
Oh, my camera's broken.
Okay, well, I guess I can't give you extra credit. All right, ready. I'm going to show you guys the answer. And Amelia, explain what's different from my answer to yours and why is it different? This will be for 2 points.
Okay, let me look at it real quick. Okay, well, what I did, I got the 73 as well from like the problem. And but I thought that the sides were like equal to each other. So
right.
I put the 73 there and then I subtracted 73 from 180 and that's how I got 107 on both sides.
Do you understand?
Yeah, I see what I did wrong instead.
All right.
I should have done with like the 73 first.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. All righty, guys, work on pages 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so here, go to Kira. All right, guys, boards up, boom, boards up where I can see them, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you are partially correct. So if I can get an explanation as to what's different and why you were wrong in that particular problem, then you guys get 2 points extra credit. So Kira, look at your board, look at my key. What did you guys miss? Why is it wrong?
We missed for like EFG. We thought it was 73 and it was actually 56, and that's
Why?
because of armpits of the Z.
Yes.
It would have been.
All righty, guys, work on pages 1, 2, and 3, please. Work on pages 1, 2, and 3. Okay, guys, boards where I can see them. Boards where I can see them. Thank you kindly. Cameron,
I did it on paper, but I switched. I can't find the paper.
Cameron, you're not done, dear.
Down there.
Cameron, okay. Ellen, guys, I'm gonna have to come back to you. You're obviously not done. So finish it up. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, let's see if this last team managed. Okay, friends, did you talk to each other and correspond your boards? Because this is a team problem. You're gonna stand or fall as a team. Are we clear?
Yes.
So did you correspond your boards?
Yes.
Okay, boards up where I can see them. Boards up where I can see them. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Jimmy, your upper 56 by E, where did that come from?
Upper 50. Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, the upper 56. Thanks, Edwin.
So the upper, this one right here, right?
Yes, sir. Quickly. Yeah.
Yeah, so I got 17 because you gave it in the problem. And then I got 107 because I did 180 minus 73. Then I add the two of them up and I subtract it by 180. Then that gave me 56.
Okay, kiddos, that's going to be a 4 out of 5 because I had to redirect you. Okay, next time when I say team problem, you actually need to check in with each other. Work on pages 1, 2, and 3, folks. Work on pages 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going back to Cameron, and I'm going to be checking in with you guys in about 30 seconds here. All righty, Cameron, Dylan, boards up.
I like don't know how to do it.
Okay, Dylan, I'm going to give you 30 more seconds. Dylan, this is not an individual problem. You are now a peer tutor. If Cameron doesn't understand this, you are not getting points. So you need to talk to each other. Go. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So go talk to each other. Lewis should be joining you in just a moment. Okay, guys, I'm going to interview you. Ladies, rotate this way.
So if we know those two, D and B are 73, how did you find C and A? Like, what did you like subtract?
What did I do for that? So, I found E first.
Okay, how did you find E?
So I used the 56 and I used it to find the 56 above angle F, like in the like rectangle thing. And that's also 56. And then I used whatever the, the Z thing where you find it, you use Z.
Yeah.
I used that to find the 56 over there. And then I just I added the 17 and 56. And
wait, where did you
get the 180? Where did I get the 56?
Yeah, like how did you get it?
17 minus 73.
Oh. Okay. And then you added them.
And then and then since A is the same as C, it's both 117.
Okay, that makes a little bit more sense.
All righty, Cameron, Dylan, board up. Board up. Okay, Cameron, there is a 56 by F. Explain, where did that come from?
You subtracted 73 from 17 because AB equals 17, and then that gave you 56.
At the bottom, it gave you 56. How did you get that 56 up top?
Oh, they're like corresponding angles.
Not corresponding, but you're using it is parallel lines, but it's not corresponding. What are they? Trace them.
Oh wait, they're not on purpose.
Trace them. Kiddo, hold your board up. Board up. Put your finger. Oh, wait a minute. I take that back. Those are corresponding. You're right. It's F, not the one above. I'm bad. You are correct. Okay, kiddos, that's 4 out of 5 because I had to redirect you one time. Okay, I know this is your first team experience. Good job.
Please remember to socially distance.